How to suppress negative images in search results faster. We made a video about this before. How to suppress negative images. It did very well. It helped a lot of people, but it is 2024. We do want to update this. We want to give you new information. My name is Nadernejad. I'm the director of Nadernejad Media Incorporated. We've helped people from all walks of life fix their online reputations. We help organizations and individuals. And this video will teach you how to bury negative images faster. I'm going to lay this out step by step so you have the operations and you can just tackle this immediately. The first one is, many of you, it's for your own personal online reputation. Google has facial recognition AI. So if you're going to try to bury negative mugshots using stock images of a fireplace or of a generic office that was posted on Google before, it's not going to rank very well. What you want to do is get new professional pictures taken of yourself. Hire a photographer. This is the best thing you can do. Generally, it's only going to cost between $100 to $200 US. You don't have to go to a studio and spend $700 on professional headshots and only walk out with 5. It's much better to find a mid-range photographer or even a skilled amateur photographer that's going to take 30, 40, 50 images and then find your favorites from there. Start with posting 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And also, I want you to vary these images. Don't take them all in one location one day with one shirt. Google can also see that. They're not going to have you looking the same in search engines. Google knows if you're wearing a blue shirt or a red shirt. They know if it was taken even sometimes, depending on the image metadata, if it was taken with a specific camera. So even just for the sake of making the images look different, take some on your phone, take some on a camera, go to 2 different photographers, and then save this in one location so you're not losing the files. We like to store everything in Google Drive, share those with our clients so they can see as we work away in real time on reputation management campaigns. Now, once you have those images, we want to disseminate them to image platforms. Do a search on the web for image platforms. Divine Art is a great one, but you can also use regular social media like Twitter. I'm feeling great today. My name is Nadernejad. Just a picture of me in my office. That has a great potential to rank because my name is on the social network, my name is in the description, and I've captioned the image. So that's something that really helps. We can also put it on Instagram, Facebook. Make slideshows, put them on SlideShare, as we've mentioned in another video. Those images eventually will begin to suppress content because it is your face. Google begins to learn this is the face of this individual. Some people do worry, I have a mugshot. If I post more images, won't it show that that's really me? Now, the idea and the fear behind that is relevant, but if the mugshot is the only thing on the web, unfortunately it's ranking anyway. And it's much better to say, I have a positive online presence with the first 2 pages of search clear, with all my professional headshots, and then on page 7 I have a mugshot. Hopefully you can remove it, but in many cases you can't, especially with freedom of press in the US. But that's much better. And if somebody ever asks you, hey, why do you have a mugshot? Say, well, everybody makes mistakes. I made a mistake once, but I proactively fixed my online reputation by building out my career and launching a business. After that, you can say, I helped several people accomplish their goals and dreams. Here are some metrics that I got. And you know what? I'm not happy about it. I'm a little bit ashamed about it maybe. It's on the 3rd page, 4th page now, but it's okay. I know I made myself a better person and I turned my life around. That's much better and honest and transparent. And I've seen executives turn from internally facing roles back to externally facing roles. People who had trouble getting hired at Target, who would go on to work at software development companies. So understand that getting those images done properly and professionally, organizing it and then publishing them in a systematic and prolific manner in conjunction with some of our other strategies like article publishing, which we can do for you as well. Or you can pursue yourself using the tutorials on this channel. All those things help. And it's going to feel a lot better when you start getting momentum. That's the most updated and best way for suppressing negative images. And to summarize some key takeaways from this new video on how to suppress faster is getting more images done at the beginning so you have more to work with. Using those suppression kits in a systematic and prolific manner. Rinsing and repeating and making sure they're in different settings. It's a new learning that will help you, and I know either with our help or going at this with momentum yourself, you can build a positive online reputation through images. My name is Nadernejad, director of Nadernejad Media Incorporated, and thank you for watching.